Hello hackers! Welcome to the new video where we are going to hack the user ID controlled by request parameter lab from Web Security Academy and powered by Portswigger. So this lab has horizontal privileges escalation vulnerability on the user account page, and to solve the lab all what we have to do is to obtain the API key of the user Carlos, and we have an account of Wiener and password of Peter. So guys, before moving forward, let me tell you what is the horizontal privileges escalation vulnerability means. So as you can see here, we have example of the escalation methods. So the first one is the vertical escalation. So in here, in this case, I'm a Wiener user. And if I found any kind of vulnerability to have privileges or more functionality as admin account has, so definitely I did what we call it a vertical escalation attack. But in the other side, if I'm a user Wiener and there is another regular user, call it Carlos or whatever, and I found any kind of vulnerability to get his information, so definitely what I did is call it the horizontal escalation attack. And the other side, we can recognize that this application trusts the user input, and here he said that the user ID controlled by request parameter. So this means that this application trusts anything came from the front side, which means it trusts any input that the user give it to it, and actually this is another kind of vulnerability that our application trusts the user input. So guys, before moving forward, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any question or need any help, please put it in the comment below, and let's start. And here we go guys. So in case that I know my attack is going to be in the access control, so the first thing, let me go to my account and let me connect as a user Wiener and password of Peter. Here we go. Let me close this thing, and here we go. Now I'm connecting as a Wiener user, and as you can see, my target is going to be API key of a user Carlos. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to activate Foxy Proxy right now. So I'm using Community Edition. Let's go to the proxy, enter spec twice, and let me go to HTTP history. So let me refresh this page and let me see how the application handled the user profile. And here we go guys. So as you can see in here, we have this endpoint slash my account, and then we have this query ID equal to Wiener. So let me discover it. So the first thing that you can recognize that it returns text.html. So this is a very basic content type. So in here I can see that we have a Wiener and also I have my session. So let me try to send this to a repeater and let me see if I can handle this thing. So first let me send the request again. I have 200. Let me render it. And here we go. Now you can see my name and also you can see my API key. So let me back to the pretty in here. So let me pollute this parameter. So let me say 0 in here and let me see what's going to happen. And now you can see that it redirects me to the login, which means something went wrong. Let me use null in here, the same. So let me just put it empty, the same. So now let me try to use the word admin, also the same. Let's say administrator. Okay, so now my target is Carlos. Let me try if there is a Carlos in here. And here we go. Now I do have 200 and let me see the render. And here we go guys. Now we find the Carlos API key as you can see it in here. So this is absolutely a basic example that this application doesn't check the ID input that has to be related to the session cookie and verify if I'm allowed to get access to this page or not. So as you can see, I get the user Carlos API key. So let me go to the pretty in here. Let me scroll down until I found the API key. And this is it. Let me just copy it. Let me go to the submit solution, let me paste it, and let me send. And here we go, guys. Now we finally solved the lab. So I hope that you learned something new about how can you make these kind of attacks. And I hope that you understand what is mean privileges escalation. And if you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any comment or you need any help, please put it in the comment below, and stay tuned to the next video.